Courses and workshops are essential to start your acting career the right way and keep it escalating and improving. But considering that workshops and courses have a cost, how do you choose what do you take, how often, and most importantly, from whom? Let's discuss. There is a variety of workshops and courses that could be probably grouped by the length of the workshop. There's one-offs that last maybe just one day. There's one-offs that last only maybe a couple of hours. There's workshops that last an entire week or several weeks. And there's some programs and accelerator programs that will take and mold actors for an entire year. So where do you invest your money and time? There are also a few free online workshops that will touch the basics on what it is like to be an actor, how to do a self-tape, best audition techniques, and actually scene study. But those programs come with certain limitations. Do your research and understand that you can only get so far for free. And then it comes the time to actually invest in yourself and your acting career by paying for courses. An audition techniques course or workshop is essential. To be honest, landing an audition is actually a big deal, and you want to come into the audition prepared. And so the objective of the course is to get you mentally and physically ready to do your best in the audition room. An audition technique workshop will help you understand how to control your nerves and use those nerves to improve your acting. Different ways of preparing quickly to deliver lines in the perfect way that the casting director is looking for. How to create a character with little information. How to draw information from the little signs that you get. They will give you tips on memorization and cold reading, which basically is reading directly from the page while trying to emote something. It sounds complicated, but you will master this, and it will be an amazing part of your acting arsenal. And believe me, once you have completed an audition technique workshop, you will feel confident and ready to go into the audition room and get that role. Another workshop that is worth your time and your money is Acting for Beginners. You will get an insight of different techniques to understand the context of what's on the page, what's on the script, a lot of practice, a lot of scene work with somebody. You will also get your work taped so you can analyze it with your instructor or your coach. And after completing a good Acting for Beginners workshop, you will feel more ready next time you get on set. You will understand more about what's going around you and how to deliver a memorable performance. Then there are workshops that are more specialized, that focus on improving your accents and different dialects, or voice work or movement. They're also worth investing money in, but perhaps not at the beginning of your acting career. Then there is the one-offs, the 3, maybe 4 hour workshop with an expert in a particular field. They're actually valuable and they're not bad, but it really depends on what you want to get from it as to whether you should take it or not. The experts that usually do that kind of workshop are casting directors or dialect experts. And to be honest, the information they will present has a lot of background and experience. However, consider the cost. Is it worth investing $250 in a 4 hour class where you could spend that $250 in 3 or 4 weeks of instructions on how to improve on your audition techniques? There's actually a lot of very good online programs that are very cost efficient. However, you have to consider at what level in your acting career you're in and what you want to get from those courses. And so sometimes it's worth the time and money investment. A few amazing experts have developed materials after years of work in particular industries. So they know what they're talking about. But do you know what to get out of those courses? So unfortunately, I cannot recommend any because it really depends on your acting level, on your learning style, and what you want to get out of the course. Have a clear description and idea of where you're at and where you will be after taking the course. Research who is your instructor, what kind of background and experience they have, what kind of feedback they have from people that have previously taken the course. Analyze what you will end up with after the course? Will you have a particular course book or materials, perhaps stuff that you can use in your demo reel? Those are the things that you need to think about before you click that buy button. So you purchased the course and you're ready to go. Be sure that you're actually ready to go. Dedicate your entire attention to that course. Your time is just as valuable as your money. Be prepared. If there is something that you have to prepare for the workshop, such as learning lines or practicing something, do it. Try to be well rested and hydrated. Bring water with you. Ensure that you are at your peak performance, because this is the place where you're going to elevate your acting from here to wherever you want it to be. Your action for today is to research 3 courses or workshops that you want to take and weigh the pros or cons of taking one or another. If you have a lead on a program that you think is great, that can elevate people's acting, make your suggestions in the comments below. I'm Jin from Jin's Martini Shot. Thank you for watching and have an awesome day.